Many YouTubers have so much good content on how to grow YouTube channel. And one of the most video made by many YouTubers is about what should you do to grow your YouTube channel? How do you go and get the first 1,000 subscribers? How do you get the first 4,000 watch hours? What would I do differently if I start my YouTube channel in the year 2022? Or if I started my new YouTube channel today, 2021 or 2022, or whatever I started my YouTube, what things should I do to be able to grow my new YouTube channel? But most of those people who are saying those kind of things are bigger YouTubers, have 50,000, 100,000 subscribers, 1 million, 500,000 subscribers, and they already get good money. They already monetized. So some people want to know, how do you get monetized fast? But the person is doing that one has been monetized maybe 5 years ago. Or some people, when they started doing that, the YouTube had the situation where you just join and right away you are monetized. So in order to answer those similar questions, I do something differently. I'm going to create a new YouTube channel and I'm going to share with you how I'm going to grow my YouTube channel. So today, I'm opening a new YouTube channel. I'm going to answer why I'm opening the new YouTube channel, what name I'm going to use and why I'm choosing that name, what language am I going to use, what will be my goal, and so forth. And if I'm going to do everything, you can go and copy and paste, duplicate my style, you can be able to grow your YouTube channel. I don't want to talk hypothetical, because if I talk with the because I have my EBM Scholars channel has over 88,000 subscribers. So if I talk, oh, maybe you got your subscribers when everybody didn't know about YouTube. But today we have so much resources. So with the knowledge I have right now, and I'm going to implement what I'm teaching people on how to start and grow YouTube channel, practical, basing on my new YouTube channel. Welcome everyone. My name is Ernest Boniface Makulilo EBM. Obviously, on my bigger YouTube channel, EBM Scholars, I have over 88,000 subscribers, going to 100,000 subscribers. And the total views overall for my YouTube channel is over 7.5 million views so far. And I'm going to break down to you on how to start your YouTube channel, what things to avoid, how to grow your YouTube channel, and how to excel. Practical, basing on starting from the scratch, not hypothetical. Stay tuned, put a seatbelt on, and take a piece of paper and start taking some notes. You need it. Trust me on that. Okay, so let me start. Biggest mistake many YouTubers do is when they go to open the YouTube channel, start thinking bigger, how much money are they going to make? For me, even if I'm a bigger YouTuber, when I'm going to start my YouTube channel, I'm not thinking how much money I'm going to do or to have within the first 1 month, first year, whatever. I'm going to open my YouTube channel with the goal of 1 year is to start with, but where am I going to be in the next 4 to 5 years as a new YouTuber, or on my brand new YouTube channel? And when I'm going to post my goals or to explain my goals are the goals on things I can control. I'm not going to put the goals on things I'm not in charge of. I'm not in control. I cannot control how many people view my videos. I cannot force you to come and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I cannot go and force you to like my video. I cannot force you. I can tell you go and share my video. I cannot force you. That is beyond my control. So I cannot have a goal, how many likes I'm going to have, how many views I'm going to have, how many subscribers I'm going to have maybe in the next week. I cannot force that. I cannot control. So my goals will be based on the things I can control as a YouTuber. What are the things in my control? Number one, the quality of the video. The video lighting itself. I can control the background. I can control the audio. I can control the content, the nature of the content, what type of the content should I put. I can control the length of the video. All the things are in my power. I can control how many videos am I going to make in a week, or per day, or in a month, or the goal per year, how many videos I'm going to do. That is the first thing I'm going to break down to you so that you can understand. So I'm going to open the YouTube channel, the brand new one, and this YouTube channel is going to focus only on scholarships. I came to the United States through fully funded scholarships. And since then, I've been talking about scholarships. I opened my first blog 2007 as a scholarship blogger. I developed, later I moved it to YouTube. And I have so many other books I've already written. But among them are 3 books. I've written 11 books. But 3 books are about scholarships. So when I started my YouTube channel, I was more onto scholarships. But my YouTube channel grew bigger and bigger. And wanted me to talk about green card lottery, talk about Canada immigration, talk about Australia, talking about other type of visas, talking about cost of living. So my YouTube channel, I can end up posting maybe 20 videos which are non-related to scholarships. But remember, I lost that originality of myself or my scholarships. So some people might come to my YouTube channel, but if they're only looking for scholarships, they might end up be disappointed, because you might find 20 videos of here and 1 of scholarship or 2 of scholarships. So I said I want to go back and create exclusive channel only for scholarships. So that's why I'm going to open the brand new YouTube channel, and that YouTube channel will be only about fully funded scholarship programs for people, especially international students from all over the world, to go to study in Europe, Australia, Canada, and the United States of America. By doing so, I have to go back to the drawing board. What is the name of the channel I want to have? I already have the idea what I'm going to do. My videos are only education, scholarships, fully funded scholarships. How to get the application, how to apply, how to start, whatever, how to get the student visa is only scholarships, and they exactly talking about specific scholarship opportunities which are there. So the title or the name of the YouTube channel is going to be Fully Funded Scholarships. So because I'm EBM and I have an EBM Scholars channel, so it will be Fully Funded Scholarships. That is the name of the channel. But on the art channel, the display channel, which you see your name, whatever, on YouTube, I've already created one. Is called, it has my picture. It says Fully Funded Scholarships with EBM Scholars, because EBM Scholars is already a big brand. So it will be Fully Funded Scholarships with EBM Scholars. So meaning the only people who are looking for scholarship from EBM Scholars will also be going only to watch this one, and they'll be able to discover so many people who are only looking for scholarships. So that is the name for that particular channel, and that will be able to grow through that way. I chose that name because, number one, the overall videos are fully funded scholarships, not partial, not whatever. But number 2 is there is no YouTube channel which has that name. So I had to take that name. And number 3 is it will be easier to search on a search engine, and the search engine, when you go and search for fully funded scholarships, it will be easier for me to be able to be captured on that particular YouTube channel. So everything I'm going to do, I'm going to design with a particular purpose. The videos will be in English language. When I started my EBM Scholars, I used to put videos in Swahili, then I came to put it in English, and I was mixing. But I didn't know. But now all my videos will be 100% in English. I have a YouTube channel in Swahili, which is called EBM Swahili, but this will be English channel on that particular way. I already made a video about what language should you use. You have to choose which language you want to use based on who is going to be your audience. My audience for fully funded scholarship will be everyone around the world. So for that particular case, I will be going to do that particular aspect. So that is part 1 of how I'm going to grow, starting my YouTube from scratch and growing it up. Wait for part 2 coming up.